You finish a new feature. It runs perfectly on your laptop. But the moment you manually move those files to the production server, everything crashes. Missing dependencies, incorrect environment variables, a single typo during the transfer. It is a chaotic, stressful way to release software. The solution to that chaos is treating software delivery like an automated assembly line. Instead of humans moving files, we build a standardized pipeline. From the initial code commit to live monitoring, removing human intervention is the only way engineering teams can reliably scale. This entire process is called CI/CD. The first half, continuous integration, is strictly the practice of developers frequently merging their code changes into a central repository, where automated tests run immediately to catch bugs early. Next is continuous delivery. This ensures your tested code is always packaged and ready to deploy at a moment's notice, but it stops just short of the live server, waiting for a human to manually click Approve. Continuous deployment takes it one step further. It removes that final manual gate. If a code change passes every automated test, it pushes straight to your active users instantly. Getting to that level of automation requires a structured path. This 18-Dean learning plan breaks the entire journey down into 6 specific modules, moving you from source control basics all the way up to production readiness. By following this exact progression, you stop worrying about which shiny new tool to use, and instead learn a repeatable, predictable engineering process. Every automated workflow begins with version control. As this diagram shows, when you isolate a new feature by creating a separate Git branch, you create a safe environment to work without breaking the main codebase. When you eventually merge that branch, the code commit triggers the pipeline. This structure organizes your deployment into distinct phases, broad stages, which contain specific jobs, which are made up of individual execution steps. Early CI platforms relied on manually clicking steps in a web interface, a fragile, unrepeatable approach. Writing your pipeline as code is far more secure. Like this YAML snippet, your deployment logic lives next to your application files, becoming versioned, auditable, and restorable. Even with a solid pipeline, you still face the problem of environment drift. This is when code passes every test on the integration server, but fails in production because the live machine has a slightly different operating system. Instead of simulating an entire heavy virtual machine for every application, Docker solves drift by packaging your app and dependencies into a standardized container. Inside the pipeline, the server builds this Docker image, assigns a version tag, and pushes it to a central registry. Once you have dozens or hundreds of these containers running simultaneously, you need a warehouse manager to handle them. Kubernetes reads your deployment files and actively distributes those containers across your live servers. By combining the strict portability of Docker with the automated orchestration of Kubernetes, engineering teams can execute thousands of reliable deployments every single day. Let's test your understanding. Can you name the 5 universal stages code must pass through to reach a user? You have 5 seconds. The path is always build, test, package, deploy, and monitor. Regardless of specific tools, this underlying engineering sequence remains identical. We can see all these concepts work together in the Day 18 capstone project. This is Cardify, a real-world Python microservice connected to a database and a cache. When a developer submits a code change, GitHub Actions takes over. It automatically runs the tests, builds an immutable Docker image, and scans that exact image for critical security vulnerabilities. Once the container is stored safely, Argo CD syncs the new version to the Kubernetes cluster using a canary release, which means routing live traffic to only a small percentage of users first. While that happens, monitoring tools watch the live traffic. If the error rate spikes, the system automatically triggers an instant rollback and sends an alert directly to the engineering Slack channel. Because of this pipeline, a single merged pull request safely traversed from a local laptop to live production, with 0 manual server access required. Understanding this full software delivery lifecycle is exactly what takes you from a basic Git user to a highly capable platform engineer. You have the blueprint. Download the roadmap, open your terminal, and start your 18-day build.